These easy chicken rissoles are made with only 5 main ingredients. Fun dinner or lunch idea that pairs well with any side dish. Ingredients: 1 pound minced chicken, 3/4 cup panko breadcrumbs for the meat mix and coating, 1 egg, 2 tablespoon onion, grated or very finely chopped, 2 tablespoons olive oil plus 1 teaspoon for the meat mix, 1/2 salt, 1/2 dried oregano, 1/4 garlic powder, 1/4 black pepper, 1/4 coriander. Equipment: 1 large mixing bowl, 1 12-inch frying pan. Instructions: 1. In a large mixing bowl, add ground chicken, 3 tablespoon breadcrumbs, 1 egg, 2 tablespoon grated onion, 1 teaspoon olive oil, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon dried oregano, 1/4 teaspoon ground garlic, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 1/4 coriander. Mix everything well until combined. 2. Form 6 to 7 balls and lay them on parchment paper. Flatten each meatball to form a plum patty. 3. In a shallow, large dish, add the remaining amount of breadcrumbs. Coat each chicken patty in a breadcrumb mixture. 4. Heat the oil in a large 12-inch pan. Place breaded rissoles carefully on a preheated skillet and fry them for about 4 minutes over medium heat until well browned. Flip them carefully with a spatula and cook on the other side for another 4 minutes. If you use an oven-safe skillet, I love to finish them in the preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit oven for another 10 to 15 minutes. If you do not want to use the oven, cover the skillet with the lid and cook them for another 4 minutes until the meat is fully cooked and the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.